All right, PayPal. So let's have a look at the technicals. And again, before we talk about if it's a good spot to pick it up, is it a good discount here? I want to say I'm just a YouTuber and I am not telling you to buy the stock, all right? So what I want to mention here is 5-6 days, maybe 8 days, 8 trading sessions. It has been negative every single day. Today on Friday, we have this indecision candle so far. And if you look at the volume, volume has been declining. That's good. That at these low levels, there's not much selling, but that's not a support for me personally. So let me zoom out a little bit more. So as we spoke on other videos, that this 227 and 230 zone, that's the support I'm watching for PayPal. All right. Also, they have earnings coming up on 8th of November. So 2 weeks from now, I think 10 days from now, actually. And I would wait for earnings if you are an options trader, or actually if you're net options buyer. So basically you don't trade, you don't sell puts, or you don't sell calls. I would just hold on to that. And also if you're a shares trader, I think 230, 227, that's a good spot. From its highs, that would be around, let me measure the pullback. So we spoke a couple days ago when it was around 245, I think, that we told that it can still go down. Momentum was to the downside. At the moment, right here, right now, it's about 25% down from its all-time highs. If it comes to these 227 levels, that would be around 26.5%. So, and that's for you to decide. The only thing I don't like here for PayPal is that the volume that it's sold off with, heavy volume. And usually if you see the stock sell off with big volume, recovery usually takes some time. Look how many times it dropped this much, pretty much 20% plus. It took some time before going higher. Same here, when it dropped, it took about 2 weeks at least to consolidate before this move higher. Same thing here. I don't think that it's gonna just reverse its course from here straight up. So I will be a bit patient with this name. And also let me switch to a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, you will see that a little bit more clear. When it dropped like this, look how long it consolidated. It gave you a lot of chances to enter before moving higher. Same thing we're seeing here. 2 weeks of a pretty big red days. All right, red weeks, by the way. And on a monthly chart, let me switch to a monthly chart. On a monthly chart, stock is also at that level where basically year to date slightly negative, I want to say. So year to date, no gains at all. So basically, if you bought it in the beginning of the year and you held it through, you didn't sell at any point, that's pretty much flat. That's what's going on with PayPal. What about the moving averages and then the option market? Option market could give you a little bit of a hint, but today it's Friday. We still have 2 more hours until market close. Look at the moving averages. Yellow line 50-day SMA, the red line 200-day, and this blue line is 20-day. So, and the purple line, by the way, is 100-day. So 50-day, 100-day, 20-day, they're all trying to curl down and coming down, 50-day and 20-day especially. But 200-day is curling down. That's what I don't like. So, and I would give it a time. What about the option activity? So this is just an update, okay? 97,000 calls were traded and 40,000 puts were traded. I just want to filter out and take a look at the biggest orders if any calls are coming in here and what people are trading. So There are some calls, but they're short terms, October 29th, which is today, so we're not going to pay attention to those. I'm seeing spreads, all right, 250, 247, 230 call. So a lot of spreads, and just by looking at these orders, I don't think it's bullish. Even though a lot of spreads, bull spreads are being traded, the sizes are not as big as I would expect for this big stock. So yeah, that's the update. I don't think it's I would still give it a time here. So I'm not trading it. I don't have a position, and I don't own any option contracts. So that's it. Take care. Peace.